Good morning, children. Today we'll read another chapter of literature, that is, the story of Louis Braille. Children, you know, eyes are the most precious gift of God to us. With our eyes, we can admire this beautiful creation of God. But you know, there are some who are not so fortunate. They cannot see. So today we'll learn about the story of a boy, Louis Braille, who was blind, but with his passion and determination, he overcame this disability. Beta, this story is on page number 39 of your book. Okay? But before reading the lesson, I want to give you a short summary of the story so that you can you can understand the lesson in a better way. So, बच्चे, Louis Braille had invented a language for the people who could not see. लुइस ब्रेल ने एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज इन्वेंट की थी बेटा उन लोगों के लिए जो देख नहीं सकते. Okay? And though he was so determined that even after losing his eyesight at a tender age of 3 years, he was only 3 years old, bache, when he lost his eyesight. He grew up with a passion to learn and finally he achieved what he wanted. Okay, उसके अंदर एक पैशन था कि मैंने लर्न करना है, मुझे कुछ सीखना है, और फाइनली जो उसे चाहिए था वो उसे मिल गया. He wanted that he should overcome his disability. वो चाहता था कि वो अपनी disability को overcome कर ले. He also wanted to help others who were like him. He not only wanted to help himself, but he wanted to help all those people who could not see, who were not able to see. So let's do the new words first. First word is disability. An illness, injury, or condition that makes it difficult for someone to do the things that other people do. Okay, but disability means some lacking in a person, like some are blind, some are deaf and dumb. So this is a condition which makes you difficult, which makes someone difficult to do the things which the normal people can do easily. So disability is lacking in a person physically. Okay. डिटर्मिंड मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडेड. जब आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडेड होते हो, पक्का इरादा कर लेते हो किसी चीज़ का, दैट इज़ डिटर्मिंड. हार्नेसेस, स्ट्रैप्स यूज टू कंट्रोल अ हॉर्स. बेटा, हॉर्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कुछ स्ट्रैप्स होते हैं. यू मस्ट हैव सीन. उस स्ट्रैप्स के साथ हॉर्स को कंट्रोल किया जाता है, जिसे हम बोलते हैं घोड़े की लगाम. अडैप्ट, change to suit a different situation. Adapt means beta when you become habitual for a thing, like you go to some new place. Okay, firstly you will find very uneasy to suit with that place, but then you gradually you get adapted towards it. Means आप उसके साथ habitual हो जाते हो, फिर आपको कोई problem नहीं होती. Resources, here the special things that are provided for people like him to use. Now beta, here in the resources in this lesson mean special things provided to the blind people to use tremendously, to a great extent, बहुत ज़्यादा. Tremendously means बहुत ज़्यादा. Accomplish, achieve or complete successfully. When you have completed any task, you say that I have accomplished it. मैंने इसे ख़त्म कर लिया है, मैंने इसे अचीव कर लिया है. Cumbersome, unmanageable, something which cannot be managed properly, that is cumbersome. Okay, visually challenged, having greatly reduced or no vision. Beta, visually challenged people are those who have less vision or no vision, means जो कम देख सकते हैं या बिल्कुल नहीं देख सकते. So children, let's read the story together. There was a time when people thought that blind people could never read because the only way to read was with your eyes. So बच्चे, there was a time when people thought, लोग ये सोचते थे कि blind लोग जो हैं वो कभी read ही नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? Because the only way to read is with your eyes. If you can see with your eyes, then only you can read. So the people thought like that. Okay, there was a young French boy, Louis Braille. He was blind from the age of 3, as I told you earlier also, that Louis Braille was blind at a young age of 3. But he wanted to read. He was determined to find a way out for himself and for the all others who were blind. उसके अंदर एक डिटर्मिनेशन थी ये फाइंड आउट करने की कि हम लोग कैसे देख सकते हैं, कैसे वर्ड्स को देख नहीं सकते, रीड कैसे कर सकते हैं, इवन दो वी डोंट हैव विजन, बट हाउ कैन वी रीड द वर्ड्स विदाउट विजन. ये उसके अंदर एक डिटर्मिनेशन थी टू फाइंड आउट अ वे. Okay, Louis was born in 1809, means in 1809, in a small village near Paris. His father made leather goods to sell to other villagers. Leather goods means bache the things which we use for horses, like the things of leather, like harnesses, saddles, and there are many more things of made of leather. So his father did the business of selling the leather goods to the villagers. He often used sharp tools to cut and punch holes in the leather. Okay, but a leather is very hard, so if we want to cut it or we want to punch holes in it, we have to use sharp tools. उसके लिए हमें क्या use करना पड़ता है? Tools use करने पड़ते हैं. So one of the tools he used was a sharp awl. But there was one tool which he used, that was a sharp awl. Awl is a pointed tool used for piercing holes, especially in leathers. बेटा awl एक ऐसा tool है जो पॉइंटेड होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा होता है, उसको होल्स करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है लेदर के अंदर. सो वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, लुइस वॉज प्लेइंग विद वन ऑफ द ऑल्स ऑफ हिज फादर. वो एक ऑल के साथ वो खेल रहा था, एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, ही स्लिप्ड एंड एक्सीडेंटली ही पोक्ड वन ऑफ हिज आईज. अब क्या हुआ, उसके हाथ से वो छूट गया, वो गिर गया, और क्या हुआ, उसके वो आईज में चुभ गया, जो ऑल था वो उसकी आइज़ में चुभ गया. बट अ फ्यू डेज लेटर ही लॉस्ट आई साइट इन बोथ द आइज़. अब कुछ दिनों बाद क्या हुआ, उसकी दोनों आइज़ की जो विजन थी वो लूज हो गई. द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज आफ्टर गेटिंग ब्लाइंड वर वेरी हार्ड. ऑब्वियसली बेटा, just imagine if we get blind suddenly, how will we feel? So it was very hard for Louis also to bear this disability. Okay, but as the days passed, he got adapted to it. Okay, he went to school. He was intelligent and hardworking boy. He was determined not to get his disability overcome him. वो ये नहीं चाहता था कि उसकी डिसेबिलिटी उसकी वीकनेस बन जाए. ओके, एज ही ग्रू ओल्डर, जब वो जैसे जैसे बड़ा हुआ, ही रियलाइज्ड दैट द स्कूल विच ही वॉज अटेंडिंग डिड नॉट हैव रिसोर्सेज ही नीडेड. जैसे ही वो थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ बच्चे, तो उसको समझ में आया कि वो स्कूल जिसको वो अटेंड कर रहा है उस पर वो रिसोर्सेज नहीं है जो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. ओके, ऑल दैट इज़ नीडेड इज़ नॉट देयर. बट देन he heard of a school in Paris that was especially for the blind students. But then what happened, he heard that there was a school in Paris that was especially for the blind students. But there are some schools for the disabled students also. Okay, some who are blind, some are dumb and deaf. There are special schools for such types of students. So he decided to go and found him. So he decided to go there to get good education. Okay, now he found himself very comfortable there. अच्छा, वहाँ पे उसको बहुत comfortable feel हुआ. Okay, there were all the resources that were required. The school had all those resources that was needed for a blind person. Now there were books in the school that had large letters that were raised up off the page. Now beta, there were special books for the blind students which had very large letters and they were raised up to the up of the page, mean वो पेज से थोड़ी सी ऊपर उठी हुई थी लेटर्स, बिकॉज दे कुड फील द लेटर्स. वो फिंगर्स के साथ लेटर्स को फील करते थे एंड देन दे कुड आइडेंटिफाई द लेटर. Since the letters were so big, so the books were also very large and bulky. Okay, now the letters were very much big in the book, so obviously the books also were large. They were very big and bulky books. Okay, and moreover the books were very expensive also. There were only 14 books in the school. Okay, now these were some of the problems that Louis was facing. So Louis decided to read all the 14 books. He could feel each letter and it took few seconds to identify each letter. Okay, वो हर लेटर को आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करता एंड इट टुक फ्यू सेकेंड्स, और कुछ सेकेंड्स लगते थे हर लेटर को आइडेंटिफाई करने में. बाय द टाइम ही रीच द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस he forgot the beginning. Now beta, he could not identify the letters quickly. Okay, जब तक वो पूरा सेंटेंस रीड करता था तब तक वो भूल जाता था कि सबसे बिगनिंग में क्या था, पहले स्टार्टिंग में क्या था. So he thought that there must be some other better way to read the letters. There must be other way to feel the words quickly. Now he was trying to find out some other way that could be more easy and could take less time to read the letters.